In today's tutorial, we are building a journey to get Typeform responses in PDF format on mails. For this, let's select Typeform as our trigger. Now, choose New Form Response as a trigger event. I'll be choosing an existing connection. Then let's link the account to establish the connection. After this, we have to select an appropriate form to catch user responses. Next, we have to add Typeform data in PDF Otter, then send link via Gmail. In steps, let's select PDF Otter. Choose Fill PDF as action, then select an existing connection and link account like we did the last time. Now, we have to choose an appropriate template to add data. So, let's add data using Typeform app data tree. In next step, let's select Gmail to send PDF link via email. Choose Send Email as action. Select an existing connection and link the account. Now we have to add recipient's mail ID. Let me type in the subject next. Now add message with a link from PDF Otter app data. That's it. We are ready with our journey. Let me just save the changes and start journey. To check our output, let's go to Typeform and submit the necessary details. Now let me go back to the journey to check its execution. Yes, our journey has been executed successfully. As per this PDF Otter template, we will receive an email. We can see a new email has been received. Let me click on the link to download it. As you can see, I've received a form response in PDF format. In this way, we can build an automation journey to get Typeform responses in PDF format on email. I hope you like this tutorial. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.